New replacement windows are a major upgrade for Redmond homeowners. They improve energy efficiency, enhance comfort, and give your home a fresh, modern look. With Redmond's mix of rain, moisture, and seasonal temperature changes, proper maintenance plays an important role in preserving both the appearance and performance of your windows. The good news is that caring for new replacement windows is simple when done consistently. Here are practical maintenance tips to help Redmond homeowners keep their replacement windows looking like new for years to come. Clean glass regularly to maintain clarity. Rain and moisture can leave mineral spots on window glass, especially in Redmond's damp climate. Over time, these deposits can dull the glass and reduce visibility. Best practices include cleaning glass with a mild, non-abrasive cleaner using soft cloths or squeegees to prevent scratching. Drying glass after cleaning to avoid streaks and water spots. Clean glass keeps your windows bright and enhances curb appeal. Wipe down frames to prevent moisture damage. Moisture buildup around frames can cause staining or long-term wear if left unattended. Homeowners should wipe frames with a damp cloth during routine cleaning. Pay special attention to corners and joints to avoid harsh chemicals that could damage finishes. Keeping frames clean helps preserve their appearance and structural integrity. Keep tracks and weep holes clear. Sliding windows and operable styles rely on tracks and drainage openings to function properly. Maintenance tips include vacuuming tracks to remove dirt and debris, ensuring weep holes are free of blockages. Checking drainage after heavy rain. Clear tracks prevent sticking and protect against moisture buildup. Inspect weather stripping for wear. Weather stripping seals your windows against air and moisture. Redmond's changing seasons can cause seals to compress or wear over time. Inspect weather stripping at least twice a year after extreme weather. If you notice drafts or temperature changes, replace damaged weather stripping promptly to maintain energy efficiency. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. Operable windows have hardware that benefits from occasional lubrication. Best practices include using silicone-based lubricants, avoiding oil-based products that attract dirt. Applying lubricant sparingly to hinges and tracks. Smooth operation reduces wear and keeps windows functioning like new. Check caulking around exterior frames. Exterior caulking seals windows against moisture intrusion. Over time, caulk can crack or shrink due to weather exposure. Homeowners should inspect exterior caulking annually. Reapply caulk if cracks appear. Use exterior grade caulking products. Proper caulking protects both windows and surrounding walls. Watch for condensation or seal issues. Fog between glass panes can indicate a seal problem that affects both appearance and performance. If you notice persistent fogging, condensation between panes, drafts near the window, contact a professional promptly to prevent further issues. Protect windows from landscaping and debris. Tree branches, shrubs, and yard equipment can damage window frames and glass. Prevent damage by trimming vegetation away from windows, avoiding contact with tools or ladders, clearing debris after storms. Protective care keeps windows looking new. Schedule periodic professional checkups. Even with regular maintenance, professional inspections help identify minor issues early. Professionals can adjust hardware, check seals and alignment, ensure long-term performance. Simple care for lasting beauty. Replacement windows are built to last, but regular maintenance helps them stay beautiful and functional, especially in Redmond's climate. By keeping glass clean, frames protected, and seals intact, homeowners can preserve their investment and enjoy long-term comfort and style. With just a little ongoing care, your new replacement windows will continue to enhance your Redmond home's appearance, efficiency, and value for many years to come.